Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to log out of WhatsApp on your Android phone. So, let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Now, here's the important thing. WhatsApp doesn't have a direct logout button like other apps. But don't worry, I'll show you the best alternative methods. The first method is to clear app data. Go to your phone's settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Manage apps. Now, scroll down and tap on WhatsApp. Next, tap on Storage. After that, tap on Clear Cache and Clear Data. That's it. This will log you out of WhatsApp, and when you open the app again, you'll need to log in with your phone number. Now, here's another method. If you're using WhatsApp Web or linked devices, open WhatsApp, tap on the three dots at the top right, and go to Linked Devices. From here, you can log out from any connected device, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.